Congratulations.
Yes,
Top
sir.
6, ha?
Thank you,
How are you
sir.
feeling?
Happy dyan. Like I'm floating.
Floating. Nakatog pa na?
Wala dyan ko nakatog, sir. Like, nakamata ko 12.
Ah,
Until now, na nagbiyahe ko, wala dyan ko nakatog. Like, happy kay ko. Like, reading messages ba na nag-congrats.
pero like, nag-expect na ka nga mo top from the very start.
I was dreaming, sir, na matap. But I'm not expecting na matap.
And then, basig nagdambog pa ba?
Lagi,
Kasi una lang.
anay ko, di sa kumatog. Di sa kumatog. Eh, basig, imatan ko, damguro na.
Bato sa secret ni May nga, nakuha man yun na mo ang rank 6 no?
I don't know. All dyan ko kabaw sa secret, sir. But ako lang dyan gibat is maning kamot. Like, do what I can unsa akong mabuhat. Like, exert effort as long as I can. Then, it's up to God na lang siya. Di pihatag niya or dili.
Okay, background lang nimo, achiever na ba ka from preschool, elementary, high school, or college?
Yes, sir.
So ka cum laude? Magna cum laude?
Manya kung laude.
Wow, dili basta-basta ha magna cum laude lang. Kunya CPA na. Karon,
Yes, sir.
may kay mathematics? Obviously.
I can't say, sir, but I love mathematics. Sir. It's my
Okay.
favorite subject before.
Yung saan mo pag-prepare? Anong nakapot mo ang rank 6?
I really, during the first days of review, sir, I'm really lost. Like, ako kabaw, asa ako, unsa na, sadihan ako, unsa dapat baton. But, thankfully, kay, I was in face-to-face man na review center. Pero, nag-guide na sa ko, like, kung unsa i-discuss mo, nasa dakong tunan.
Okay. Now sa imuhang tip no sa mga sama nimo or sa atong mga estudyantihan diya nga ganahan mamahimong sama nimo.
Never keep, don't hinder yourself from that dream na ikaw mismo ang limit sa imong capabilities because what about there's something na makaya din mo, there's something in you jud ay when you start believing in yourself. So when you believe in yourself, you also do the hard work jud. You work hard jud kay it's not about lang na pasagdaan lang nimo, disalig lang kasi mo galingon, but you should kana makita nimo sa imong effort mismo ba.
Yes. And 300,000 pesos daw taon na nimo.
Still wala pa gyud plano sir karon ako nakabaw.
Pero na ka nagabaw nga dunay na bigama. But sa imo ikasulti. Well, basig duna kay pasalamatan. Go ahead.
Pwede rin siya mag-mention. Kaya mang-doon nito sila dili man.
Ako ni upload sa atong social media.
Thank you sa akong family, Papa, Mama, Ate, and Hannah. And thank you for supporting me. And also, especially Ate, sir, na siya sa Gawas karon.
Say God, say mo.
Hi, Ate Davy. Thank you for financially supporting me. Especially sa akong review. And sukat pa dyan pag senior high na ko. And I gratefully, I really appreciate your generosity, sad. And to Mama, Papa, and Hannah, thank you for your kind words na comforting kay mo sa ako and you never make my heart ganang lisod, especially sa akong pagtuon. And to my friends and to Simon sad sa akong boyfriend. Thank you for being there with me and to Bache Diosa. Bache Diosa, sir, was my batch in, yeah.
Okay, mention.
Congratulations everyone to those who made it and good luck sa tanan na mo take pa sa October and thank you for being with me in this journey. And to my friends PMG, thank you and to all my relatives, kaya na pa shoutout. Hello and thank you po. Thank you sa support.
And most of all,
Salamat sa Ginoo dyan.
kanang
Because wala dyan, wala ni tanan eh, wala siya.
sakto yun. Okay, congratulations. May Pearl si Kuya, top 6 ha, sa, o siya tawag ani, licensure examination for Certified Public Accountant. Slick pa? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay, again.
Thank you,
Congratulations.
sir.
Once again, congratulations, Clark. Ha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nakatugpa na. Nakatugpa na ba ka?
Wala pa.
Well, kasi man, kanang, what's feeling ni mo karon? How are you feeling today?
Kanang very happy and ecstatic. Tigil po ko katuog gamay na nadapag gidi.
Pero sa man nag-expect na kagamuta.
Actually, sir, nag-expect ko na kailangan ko mo retake kay October.
Why?
I think kanang medyo insecure ko sa myself. Kay pag-exam na mo, mga items na di gid ako makuha.
So, dili ka inana ka confident yung mo pass.
Dili yun. Pero deep down, ako po yung hope na bas hindi ang makaloyan ni God. Nakaloyan naman din.
Pero sa mo imong aim permero sa mo pasal lang.
Hmm.
But sa kinahanglan na ka sa top 10. Ano?
Okay ka nang ni supportive man gud kayo ang department na ay kanang scholarships review na pag-cash na scholarship And then napag yung mga firms na mohatag pag scholarship sa kanang maikugpunta na kanang dili magtinarong ba. So deep down, I think they're expecting me to top. Fortunately, kay nakatabang ra gid ilang pag-support na ako. So I think that really helped a lot na pag-top.
Okay, ano sa imong background? Like achiever na ka from preschool, elementary, up to high school, then college?
I think I could say that in a way. Grade 6, I was the batch valedictorian. Grade 10, I was also the top one of our batch. And then same in senior high, I was also the top one. Here in college, I was second sa among batch. Kaya si Pearl na top one.
Gusto mo na siya kung laude ba na?
We were both magna cum laude.
Magna cum laude lang. Okay. Now, kanang sa plano nimo ka?
I want to enter into public practice na sa. I want to join firms kay I think based sa among internship kay gipa internship and ato sir kanang naganahan ko sa auditing. Nya mo pwede lang yun na indot i-explore ang auditing kay daghan kag makita ang opportunities. So that's what I'm planning to do.
Di ka mo proceed og law?
Maybe eventually na lang sir kanang nanay na save gamay ba kay may daghan pag need by ran kay 4.5 years na sa niya mong curriculum ng sa SJR.
Dili ka mag-teach, pay it forward.
I also ganahan ko na sir kana nagdaghay ko plano sa akong life but I'm really looking forward to teaching kay sa ako ang experience dako kay tabang ang kanang murag makakita kag people na nag-struggle pud sa una and then they want to pay it forward makita nimo na ay kanang itsura di ay kanang mo hatag kabalik sa sanase.
Okay, tips nimo no sa ganahan nga maparehon nimo sa ilang imo.
Believe in yourself and pray kay at the end of the day kanang adto na nimo sa exam it's between you and God and the questionnaire. So as long as dili ka magpanic and then mosalig lang gid ka sa imong natun-an na ilisod kay ampuan marag siganay bahala nimo.
Amen. Congratulations. Okay, si Clark Peter Castillo.
We have been giving incentives, but we keep on upgrading it. So this time is much bigger than the previous.
300,000.
Yeah, a top one will get $500,000. Okay. But if it's low, it's 600,000 for a top one.
Dean, invite them.
Okay. Okay. So to all those who have not yet decided what school to choose for their college education, I invite you to enroll in USJR. You can enroll in accountancy, in business, in law, or any other program. USJR has it all. We stand for Quality Christian Community-Oriented Education.
Adelante.
Adelante. Thank you.
Okay, Dr. Martinez. Good. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, Doc, usay inyong programa ngano naka-produce mo og inani ka brilliant yung mga graduates.
Yeah. So, there is no secret. So, only that, to have a very competent and dedicated and committed teachers. Then, of course, you have a strong retention and admission of the policy of the PSA program. Like, for example, for the freshmen, you have to admit only having an IQ of 96.
Inasasanadaan.
Yes, nasasanadaan, no? Admission ng daan. And then as soon as they will enroll BSA program, they have to maintain a grade of 2.0. That's equivalent to 85. And so failure to obtain a grade of 2.0, you have the option to shift to another program or they may retain the basic program provided you have to retake. So not to mention we have a very comprehensive courses, accounting, and then the last thing we have to make it, you have the integrated class, which is part of the curriculum, part of the program. So integrated class in a way that is a review actually, review from the first year to fourth year, aside from the formal review.
Okay, so mag-review na from first year up to fourth year.
Yes.
Preliminary review.
So that is part of the curriculum, integrated courses. Thereafter, when they graduate, you should take a formal review. So that's why we have a very comprehensive cooking program for the PSA. So definitely, it's either if you will not pass, you will top. That's a secret.
So no wonder you
Yes.
produce mo mga top notch.
And yeah, no wonder, very challenging. So you will see the struggle yet very fulfilling, when they graduate BSA. In our school, it's really difficult to graduate BSA, yet when you talk the exam, that's quite easy.
Okay. Dr. Martinez, congratulations.
Thank you so much.